Alright, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are live back for another episode of Discovery Expo! Woo! Welcome back, and today we're doing Teams Top Tips Part 3. So as always, enjoy the video, make sure you take some notes, because chances are some questions will be based around this video on Win Big, Write Meow. Let's take a look.
What if you get a piece of information in an email that you think would be really relevant to an entire team or a channel? Well, Teams works really well with Outlook. Let's head back to my Teams, and I'm going to go to the training videos channel in this evangelism team. And let's say I just got an asset, a list of videos created by our worldwide team that I want to share here. I can click these ellipses, and this option is Get Email Address. So now I have the email address for this specific channel. I can see advanced settings for more options. Anyone can send emails to this address, or only members of this team, or only emails sent from a specific domain. We're going to copy it. And now I'm going to head to my email. I've got a list here of brand new ExpertZone assets. So I'm going to forward this to, Control V, the training videos channel. And we will click send. And there it is, popping up as the most recent post. The entire email, I can view the original email, clicking here. But now everyone in this channel has access to the information that was sent to me in that email. I can forward it to an entire team. All right, moving on. I think we're on number 7. A lot of Teams information gets recorded. A lot of these video meetings get recorded. Where do those recordings go? Well, they go to Microsoft Stream, and you can use Stream to save information inside of a team or a channel. For instance, we have here a call from August 7th for our server ambassadors around remote desktop services, and here is that meeting. Where does that meeting go when it gets saved? It gets saved to a location in Microsoft Stream. I opened it earlier, so I don't have to wait for it to load. Here that is. But what we want to do is share it. So we're going to get a link to this video, and I will copy that link. We're going to head back into Teams, and I'm going to say, you know what, the US Evangelism Teams training videos, since it's a great training on remote desktop services. I'm going to create a new, not a message, I'm not going to share the link there and say, please watch it. I'm going to say this should be permanent for the next month. So I'm going to add a brand new tab to this channel, and it's a Microsoft Stream tab. Now, it's not adding the app itself, but it wants to add a specific video. Ambassador Training Server Remote Desktop Services. I can trim that down. Remote Desktop Services Training. Post to the channel about this tab. Absolutely announce this meeting is now available for everyone to view. You don't have to go searching back through your calendar to view it, or if you weren't invited initially, now you have access to it because we're all in the same organization and I've shared it out. It goes full screen, and it is now a permanent tab up here alongside the rest of the tabs for this training videos channel. Kyle's tip number 8 on getting the most out of Teams: add your OneNote to Teams. If you don't know how to do this, you'll want to make sure that it's not hiding out under here. Let me unpin it so you can see what it looks like normally. Hiding out as an app. It probably already is, but if not, you'll want to go to More Apps and search for OneNote and get it installed. When you go to install something, I'll click on, here's Obi-Wan, I'll click on him. You can add it for yourself or add it to a specific team or channel. If you want it to appear in that left-hand rail, you just want to click Add so it's adding it for yourself. Let's go back and I'll make sure OneNote is pinned again, just how I like it. And this sort of creates, just like the web-based version of going OneNote.com, your notebooks. And here's, you know, the information on that same training we were just looking at. I grabbed the stream so I could build an ExpertZone course from it. And you can click on the little arrow that we just saw to expand and get not just the page you're on, but other tabs, and not just that notebook, but other notebooks attached to whatever your account you have signed in to Microsoft Teams. So if you're taking copious notes, not just for a group meeting, but for yourself, I encourage you to add OneNote to Microsoft Teams.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and your secret word of today is Outlook. There you go. There's your secret word. Make sure you put it into the daily quiz for today. And that is all for our video. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys are staying safe out there, and keep on enjoying Discovery Expo. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.